For this haircut, sectioning is going to be really important. You also want to make sure to wet the hair down before starting the cut. So if you need to, go ahead and do that now. The first section that we will be making is on the top. Make a horseshoe shaped section right where the head starts to curve and clip the hair up out of the way. It should look something like this. Next, you will be making small sections just behind the left ear and the right ear. Because the hair is wet, I don't need to use a clip here, but if you need to use one, please do. Okay, perfect. The next section that you will be making is right down the back of the head. Make a small subsection with each section and clip it up out of the way. It should look something like this. Great job. You're all set for this haircut. I will see you in the next video.